Hello Year 2, so it's Thursday the 28th of January 2021. Read the learning question with me. Can I subtract two-digit numbers? So keywords today are subtract, can you remember what subtract means? And two-digit numbers. We've done this. How many digits does this number have? Yeah, it has one digit. How many digits does this number have, the number 10? Yes, it has two digits. And the number 100. How many digits does this number have? Yes, 3. So today, we're subtracting two-digit numbers from a two-digit number. Let's read our subtraction vocabulary. My turn, your turn. Subtraction. Subtract. Minus, leave or left, less, take away, difference between. Okay, now, the most important thing with subtraction, we always start with the largest number. That's our whole. We always start with the largest number. Okay, that's really important to remember. Tell me what I just said. Well done. Okay, so strategy we're going to use first is to draw it using a place value chart. Okay, read the calculation with me. 43 take away 12 equals. We can also say 43 subtract 12 equals. So I'm going to draw a place value chart. Shout out what I'm going to write here. That's right, T for tens. Shout out what I'm going to write here. That's right, O for ones. Now I'm going to make my first number my whole, the largest number, okay? And I'm going to make it in tens and ones. 43 has 4 tens. And how many ones? That's right, 3. Okay? I don't make the second number, do I? I subtract, and I'm going to subtract 110. I'm going to take it away from the left, and I'm going to cross out 110. Okay? Now I'm going to cross out 2 ones. 1, 2. Now I'm going to circle what's left. Circle the tens that are left. 10, 20, 30. Circle the ones that are left, it's just 1. So 30 add 1 is 31. 43 subtract 12 is 31. And I know my answer is less than the whole. Good job. Now remember, calculations can start with the answer. So don't be confused. Read this calculation for me. 58 subtract 26 equals, okay? We're just going to put the answer there. And you will draw a place value chart. And I'm going to write what here? T for tens. What here? O for ones. And I'm going to make my whole. Shout out, how many tens am I going to draw? 5. How many ones am I going to draw? That's right, 8. Now time to subtract. How many tens am I going to subtract? That's right, 1, 2. How many ones am I going to subtract? 6. Count with me. 1, 2, can't hear you. 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's circle the tens that are left. Count with me, 10, 20, 30. Let's circle the ones that are left. How many ones are left? 2. So I now need to count all of those. 30 and 2, 10, 20, 30, 31, 32. 32 equals 58, take 26. So remember, exactly the same, I'm just with that one putting my answer first. Hopefully everybody is okay with drawing a place value chart. Now some of you yesterday were recalling and thinking it. So let's have a think about this with subtraction. So I'm going to draw my thought bubble, because what am I thinking? What am I doing in my head? Okay, I'm going to look at the tens first. 8 tens take away 5 tens. Well, 8 take away 5 is 3, so there must be 3 tens, okay, which is 10, 20, 30. Now I'm going to take away the ones. 7 ones take away 2 ones. 7 take away 2 is 5. So there are 5 ones left. Now, I always have to add those two numbers together because that's my tens that are left. That's my ones that are left. So I now need to know how many are left altogether. 30 add 5 make 35. Now, again, if you don't understand this strategy, that's okay. Draw a place value chart. Only use this strategy if you understand what I've just said. Okay? Okay, your task today is to copy each sum into your book, draw a place value chart, or a speech bubble if you're using that strategy for each one. Okay? Now, if this is really too tricky, I've got some simpler calculations for you to do. But most of you should be doing these, okay? So, for these calculations, I've got 12 take away 6. And I'm just going to represent the first number, the whole, in counters. Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. And I'm going to take away 6. 1, 2, shout stop when I've subtracted enough. 3, 4, 5, 6, stop. How many have I got left? Count for me. I've got 6 left. Okay? This one is exactly the same, the answer's just going first. So we're going to make the whole, or the largest number, count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, made the first number. How many are we going to take away? That's right, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Let's circle how many are left. Count the ones that are left. 1, 2, 3. Did you get 7? And the answer just goes in first. Okay? So, let me see. Again, these questions are only if you found the main activity really challenging. Okay? So, as always, please email clear pictures of your work to Teachers Year 2 at birchfields.manchester.sch.uk. Make sure you aim high today. Can't wait to see your subtraction work. Bye everyone.